Fathers of sons, I'm talking to you. I'm learning as a father and feeling as a father the bandwidth it takes to be present for work and family. It's a lot of bandwidth. So I've got something for you. Something that doesn't feel like another thing to figure out, another problem to solve, another event to schedule, another thing just to figure out. It's already figured out for you. June 12th, Western North Carolina, Father and Son Shelter Building Workshop. It's a one-day class, 9 to 5. June 13th to 14th is a 24-hour father and son wilderness weekend adventure. From noon to noon, we're talking, continuation of shelters, knots, bushcraft, hitches, s'mores, maybe even some hide and seek in the woods. And all this is on private property, surrounded by Shining Rock Wilderness. This is open to sons ages 8 to 15 years old. But let's break it down real quick and easy. Click the link, read up on it, look at your calendar, and book it. That easy. You can be done in just a few minutes to create this core memory for your kid. Right now, we're doing a 50% off sale. Come Memorial Day, price will double. So whether you do it or don't do it, that's what you're teaching your kids. Hopefully, see you out here in the woods where it's awesome. Bye.